Do you eat chicken? Most people do. It's cheap, available everywhere, and advertised as a healthy protein. But what if I told you there's a dark side to chicken that no one talks about? A side that's affecting your gut, hormones, and even your long-term health? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you might think twice before your next bite. Let's rewind a bit. In the 80s and 90s, chicken exploded in popularity in the US. Red meat was labeled unhealthy, so chicken became the good guy, lean, high in protein, low in fat. But fast forward to today, and the way chicken is raised and processed is far from what it used to be. What changed? Factory farming. The chicken you see in grocery stores isn't raised on a happy farm. It's mass-produced in tight, overcrowded spaces. Chickens are fed unnatural diets, injected with saline to make them look plump, and pumped with antibiotics to keep them alive long enough for slaughter. Imagine eating something that's been sick its entire life. That's what most of us are doing. Health risks. No one talks about. Consuming this kind of chicken over time can damage your health in ways you don't realize. Think inflammation, antibiotic resistance, digestive issues, and hormonal imbalances. A 2022 CDC report showed that chicken is the leading cause of foodborne illness outbreaks in the US. Over 1 million Americans get sick every year. Why isn't this on the news? Let's get specific. Most chickens are fed genetically modified corn and soy. Some studies even found traces of arsenic and chlorine used in processing. And then there's the antibiotics. 80% of the antibiotics sold in the US are used in animals, mostly poultry. This leads to antibiotic-resistant bacteria that your immune system can't fight, weight gain, hormones, and skin issues. If you're gaining weight despite working out, if your skin is breaking out randomly, if you feel bloated after meals, it might be the chicken. The artificial hormones and toxins accumulate in your body. Your liver has to filter all that junk out. Over time, this burden causes fatigue, hormonal imbalance, and even mood swings. A real-life example. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 34-year-old from New Jersey. She thought she was eating clean, chicken breast every day, but she started having gut issues, fatigue, and chronic acne. Her doctor couldn't figure it out. It wasn't until she eliminated chicken that everything changed. Her skin cleared, digestion improved, energy came back. One simple switch made all the difference. Is organic chicken really safe? You might be thinking, I buy organic, I'm safe. Not so fast. The term organic is often loosely regulated. In the US, loopholes allow companies to label chicken as organic even if it's raised in questionable conditions. Unless you're sourcing from a trusted farm directly, even organic might not be what it claims to be. What to eat instead? You don't need to go vegan, but smarter choices matter. Choose wild-caught fish, grass-fed meats in moderation, or plant-based proteins like lentils and beans. Add anti-inflammatory foods to your meals. Turmeric, leafy greens, garlic. Your body needs clean fuel, not fake protein wrapped in hormones and antibiotics. Now you know the truth. It's not about scaring you. It's about giving you the power to choose better. You deserve real health, not the illusion of health. So next time you see chicken on the menu, ask yourself, is it worth it? If this video helped open your eyes, share it with a friend who eats chicken daily. And don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Mentor. We're here to guide you toward the truth in wellness.